we'll guide you through how to remove green screen in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners want to remove green screen backgrounds in Blender, but find the node system confusing. Clear steps help them understand compositing tools and keying settings. It allows users to create cleaner, more professional videos and improve their editing skills without needing expensive software or advanced experience. First, click Blender to open it on your desktop and wait for the interface to load completely. Go to the File panel on the top of the screen so you can access different project options. Press on the New section to see more options for starting a project. From the available choices, tap on Video Editing to open a workspace suitable for editing clips. After that, put your green screen video into the Blender timeline by importing it into the project. Make sure the clip appears correctly in the timeline before continuing. Then, on the side panel, go to the Modifier panel where you can add effects and adjustments. Press the plus sign and choose the Compositor option to begin setting up compositing tools. After selecting it, tap again on the plus sign to add more options for the setup. Next, move your mouse to the corner of the interface and drag it to the left to create a new panel. This allows you to work with multiple views at the same time. Then, change the panel mode by clicking the option at the top left of the new panel. From the list, choose the Compositor mode so you can work with nodes. After that, press the button next to the plus button to select the node group you created from the modifier earlier. Make sure it is connected properly before continuing. Next, press Shift and A on your keyboard to open the Add menu for nodes. Type keying and add it between the group nodes connection so it can process the green screen. Then, press the color option within the keying settings and go to the RGB section. Set it to the color green so Blender can identify and remove the green background. Adjust the settings if needed to improve the result. Following these steps will help you remove green screen backgrounds effectively and create better video compositions using Blender tools with clearer and more professional results overall.